sport it was, but baseball or football, a little spotlight. And then, and so, like, alright, so a little, yeah, baseball or football, whatever it was, and I had to get it. But before that, a couple days before that, of course, I tell my friend Joe, and we joke about everything. Like, man, me and him, we would just think, like, I don't know, we would show up to school the next day. Hey Joe, what you doing with the head funny book in your hand? Because we would just write shit down, and and then I would be like, did you think about it? And he's like, yeah, and he'd be like, ER? And I'm like, yeah. Like, we would just think, you know, jokes out. We would watch the same shows and shit, so it's like, well, what is your parents watching? I don't know, we would watch them make fun of it. Anyway, so I told him I had to, yeah, of course you gotta get it's like, you know, your vitals and physical, all that done before you go to play baseball or any sport. So, but anyway, so we were talking about, he had to give me a physical. When you go in for a physical, the doctor fills up under your balls and he pushes on like the vein and he makes you cough like, and then he's like, very good. So when he's down there with his face right by your balls, he's like, very good. I'm like, yeah. It always sucks, no matter, unless you're a fag, or no, unless you're like hetero challenged, you do not have a good time at this guy's office, and it happens every so often too. And then when you get older, you gotta you gotta check your prostate. You gotta check your prostate when you're older. Anyway, so, alright, so me and my friend talk about it, and my friend's teasing me about the doctor going ding, ding, ding to my ball sack. My ball sack's hanging there, so my doctor's gonna go ding, 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 and I'm gonna go like loving it. I'm just loving it.